Hey guys, it's Bear here with Journey to Preparedness, helping you prepare not only for your doomsday, but for your everyday. Today's video we're going to show you how to make laundry soap. That's right, this right here is laundry soap. It's quick, it's easy to put together, it's 3 ingredients, it's great for your HE washing machines, it's cost effective, really cheap, makes the clothes come out clean, smelling good, without all those harsh chemicals you get in a lot of your standard store-bought factory laundry detergents. So let's put this together real quick and we'll head to the kitchen. Alright guys, so we're here in the kitchen and I'm going to show you there's 3 ingredients that you need for this soap, and it's real simple, real quick and easy. You need some washing soda. Okay, you can pick this up pretty much anywhere. Borax, again, all these items I think you can pick up at like Walmart or anything like that, and some Fells Naphtha bar soap. You can use the Zote soap, but if we like this, it tends to smell a little better, keeps the clothes fresher, so I'd recommend that. I'm going to bring you in here and show you how we get it done. Okay, so the first thing is you need a bowl. Alright, we got the bowl. You can open this up. Get the bar of soap out. Get that out of there. Okay. Just like so. Okay, then you're going to want to grate it. I like to grate it on these little ones here because that way it makes a smaller, it seems to mix better on the little than it does on the big. So you just grate the bar of soap down. Takes a little bit of time, it's not too bad. Seems to go pretty quick. The nice thing about this soap is it's pretty much, you know, natural. It's not chemical laden or anything like that, like your typical soaps. Gets the clothes nice and clean, lasts a long time, super cheap. These bars here are $1, I want to say, at the store, and these the washing soda and the borax are, you know, maybe $3 to $5 for a box, and they last a long time. In fact, we've been doing this for months now, probably, I don't know, 6 months, maybe a year-ish, somewhere in there, and we still haven't, it's probably closer to 6 months, I'd say. We do have a family of 4, so we are doing a lot of laundry, having kids, but these boxes are still going strong, so it doesn't take a lot to get through. I mean, they last a long time, I should say. I still haven't bought new ones. We're still in the first box when we first started this. We did try doing a liquid detergent for a while, and my wife just wasn't really happy with the outcome of the clothes. She didn't think they smelled fresh enough. So we switched to this, and once we switched to this, she tended to like this a little better. And it's, like I said, it's actually easier than the liquid. It takes up less time, and it's a lot quicker. You can use it right away instead of having to wait. With the liquid we used, we had to wait and let that melt together for a while, and it was nice because it was nice concentrated, but had jugs we had to keep all the time. And with this, we just have a little mason jar that we fill up. One of these batches fills up a nice quart jar, and whenever we're getting low, I just whip up another batch. So it doesn't take long. As you can see, we're 3 minutes into this video, and I'm pretty much done with this bar of soap here. So get that done. All right, now this I keep specifically just for the soap. I got this at, I don't know, dollar store or something like that. It wasn't expensive. See, now you got these nice fine little shavings here, and they'll break up a little more once they're in your jar. I also keep the recipe right here in the jar. That way I know what to go with, what goes in it, and then also how much per load, which I keep. It's 1/8 of a cup per load. Laundry, this is fine for your HE laundry, washers and stuff. I just keep this measuring cup right in there. So the next thing you want is your washing soda. break it up a little bit. All right, 1 cup of that. Just pour that in there. Come on. Got a little bit of a big chunk in there that's not broken up. There we go. Get that out of the way. Okay, let's get your 1 cup of washing soda. Big chunk in there. 1 cup of that. Pour that in there. You're gonna do the same with your borax, 1 cup. Keep tape over it just to make sure it doesn't spill or anything like that. 1 cup of borax. And once you mix it around, those big chunks will break right up in there. Okay. Pour that in there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but go in and break up these chunks here. Get in there with your hands, it's fine. It's soap, it's not gonna hurt anything, right? Okay, then what I do, just mix them all together. Help, like I said, break up those clumps. Get it all mixed together. Like so. Mixes up nice. And then just transfer it into your jar. Ooh. Probably should have had a funnel. Hold on, I'm gonna get a funnel. Alright, scratch that idea. Couldn't seem to find my funnel anywhere. So I'll just take it a little slower. Mix everything in there nicely. Spoonful by spoonful, right? Might take a little more time, but shows you if you don't have a funnel, you can still get it done. So the nice thing about the quart jar is this one batch fits in there pretty perfectly. So once you get down and get low, you just go back and do this. Takes no time. And so many of the harsh chemicals that are going into your soaps these days, you know, Tides and Eras and everything else. It's stuff we don't want, right? I mean, let's be honest. That's why you're here. That's why we're doing this. Trying to rid ourselves of there it is. So that's it, guys. It's that simple. Got a little bit here on the counter. That's fine. Clean that up. Bam. Right back in there. That's it. 1 quart size mason jar. Right there. Full. Keep a label on here so you always know what you got to put in. So you never have to guess, never remember. And now you can start doing laundry. Like I said, it's super simple, super easy. 3 ingredients. You know, I like to mix it up once in a while just to make sure I get an even amount when I'm doing the 1/8 cup. 1/8 cup of this in your load. You can go a little heavier if you want, but there's no need to. All right. If you like this and other things we're doing here on the channel, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the webpage, check out the Twitter, check out the Facebook. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. And till next time, peace, love, and all the above.